Have you ever been so sure you're right that you completely dismiss someone else's opinion? We often think our way is the only way, but life has many solutions. Today's story is about a little girl named Emily who teaches us a priceless lesson about perspective. Emily was a cheerful girl who loved school, but she struggled with math. Simple addition was a challenge. One day, her teacher, Mr. Johnson, asked the class, "If I give you one apple, then another, and one more, how many apples do you have?" Everyone shouted, "3." But Emily, after counting on her fingers, confidently said, "4, sir." Mr. Johnson was baffled. He tried again with strawberries, and she answered correctly, 3. But with apples, her answer was always 4. Frustrated, he asked, "Why do you keep saying 4?" Emily replied softly, "Because I already have one apple in my backpack, sir." Mr. Johnson realized his student wasn't wrong after all. She just had a different perspective. So, before you judge, try to understand their side of the story. You might be surprised by what you learn. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more stories.